How to configure the RAM timings if I use 1333 mHz and 1600 mHz RAM together.
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to configure RAM timings when using 1333 MHz and 1600 MHz RAM together. If you have different RAM modules with varying frequencies, it's important to properly configure the timings to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step, so let's get started.
Determining RAM specifications.
The first step is to gather information about your RAM modules. Check the labels or documentation that came with your RAM sticks to identify their specifications, including the frequency, 1333 MHz and 1600 MHz in this case, and the primary timings, CAS latency, TRCD, TRP, and TROS. Make a note of these timings as we'll need them later.
Accessing BIOS settings.
To configure RAM timings, we need to access the BIOS settings of your computer. Restart your system and during the boot process, look for a message indicating which key to press to enter the BIOS setup. It's usually one of the function keys, F2, F10, F12, or the delete key. Press the appropriate key to enter the BIOS.
Navigating to RAM timing settings.
Once you're in the BIOS setup, navigate to the section related to memory or RAM settings. The exact location and terminology may vary depending on your motherboard manufacturer, but it's usually found under Advanced or DRAM configuration.
Manually configuring RAM timings.
In the RAM settings section, you'll find options to manually configure the RAM timings. Enable the manual configuration mode if it's not already enabled. Look for options related to the primary timings, CAS latency, TRCD, TRP, and TROS.
Adjusting CAS latency.
Start by configuring the CAS latency. Set the CAS latency value according to the timings of your 1333 MHz RAM module. This ensures that both RAM modules operate at the same latency, which is crucial for stability.
Adjusting other timings.
Next, adjust the remaining timings, TRCD, TRP, and TROS, based on the timings specified for your 1600 MHz RAM module. Keep in mind that the timings for the 1600 MHz RAM module may be more aggressive compared to the 1333 MHz RAM module, so you might need to increase the values slightly to maintain stability.
Save and exit.
After configuring the timings, save the changes in the BIOS settings and exit. Your system will reboot, and the new RAM timings will take effect. Congratulations! You've successfully configured the RAM timings for using 1333 MHz and 1600 MHz RAM together. By manually adjusting the timings in the BIOS settings, you've ensured that both RAM modules are operating optimally and in sync with each other. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.